Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide by s on numerator and denominator. Next, about this one, I will put number 5 on numerator and denominator. For this one, I will put number 9 on numerator and denominator. So, we have the formula in here. The limit of s approach to number 0. We have sine as over as. You got about number 1. Similar for the second one. That is about tan of as over as. You got about number 1. So, for this one, I will put number 5 in here. And I will put the limit gone here. Similar for this one. So this one you got about number 1. That is from here. This one you got about number 1. That is from here. So we simplify. And we got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.